Mongolia is a country in East Asia. The country is also famous for Genghis Khan, one of the Khan rulers that changed the course of history for the country. Mongolia is a landlocked unitary sovereign state in East Asia. Bogd Khan Ul National Park, the oldest national park in the world, is in Mongolia. It predates the Yellowstone by approximately 100 years. Present day Mongolia was referred to as Outer Mongolia. Inner Mongolia is an autonomous region in the People's Republic of China. Located in the north of the country, Inner Mongolia contains over 12% of China's land area and is the third largest subdivision of China. Mongolia lies between China to south and Russia to the north. It is actually bordered on the three sides, south, east, and west by China. Kazakhstan is also near to Mongolia at only a distance of 36.7 km. With a population of around 3 million people, Mongolia by area is the 18th largest country in the world. Behind Kazakhstan, Mongolia is the world's second largest landlocked country, followed by Chad, Niger, Mali, Ethiopia, Bolivia, Zambia, Afghanistan, and Central African Republic. With an average temperature of minus 1.3 degrees Celsius, Mongolia's capital, Ulaanbaatar, is the world's chilliest capital city. The second coolest capital city in the world is Astana in Kazakhstan, with an average annual temperature of 3.5 degrees Celsius. Mongolia is the world's most sparsely populated country. It has a land area of 1.6 million km and a population of 3 million. With an average altitude of 1,580 meter above sea level, Mongolia is one of the highest countries in the world. The highest point of the country is the Khoitan Peak at 4,374 meter on the west side of country along the border with China. It is known as Yui Feng in Chinese and Naramdal Ul in Mongolian. The peak was first ascended in 1963 by Mongolian mountaineers sponsored by the government. It was known as Friendship Peak in the past. The lowest point is the Honor Lake at 560 meter. The Potanin Glacier, which is 14 km long, is the longest glacier in Mongolia. Almost three-fourths of Mongolia's land area is pasture land, which supports the lives of its grazing livestock. Mongolia is prone to earthquakes, some of them whom are severe in nature. However, due to low population density, the earthquakes do not cause any major harm. Mongolia has three mountain chains: the Kangai Mountain, the Khanty Mountains, and the Mongolian Altai Mountains. Mongolia does not have direct contact with an ocean. In fact, the nearest ocean to the country is the Pacific Ocean. However, Mongolia has several lakes that collectively cover an area of 16,003 kilometers square. Ulaanbaatar, the capital city of Mongolia, used to move three times a year. Being a nomadic city, Mongolia became a member of the World Trade Organization in 1997. Genghis Khan, born in 1162, formed the Mongol Empire in 1206. The Mongol Empire is also the largest contiguous empire in the world history. The empire covered 22% of Earth's total land area. However, after the demise of Genghis Khan, the empire was divided into four kingdoms. The country is famous for its nomadic lifestyle and traditions. The country is one of the last nations in the world to have such a high proportion of nomads among its population. Air is the traditional national drink of Mongolia. It is essentially maize fermented milk. This fermented milk has several benefits for health and the digestive system. The social and cultural value of the drink is similar to that of the wine in France. Pointing fingers or talking in a raised voice is considered rude in Mongolian culture. Standing or speaking on the threshold of the door in Mongolia is taboo and is so lighting up a cigarette from a candle. Goat, sheep, cattle, camel, and horse are the five main type of stock that nomads of the region raise and breed for a living. These nomads move from place to place in search of the most favorable campsites and pastures. Mongolians love children, and this is why their average family has 4 children. A mother of five is awarded in the country as honored mother. Use of right hand or both the hands while giving something to elder is considered polite. Nadam is an annual traditional festival in Mongolia which is celebrated between 11th and 13th July. In Mongolia, it is a practice to shake hands when someone accidentally touches you with their feet. It is a way of apologizing for the mistake. Hospitality plays a significant role in the Mongolian culture with a bowl of arag. The guest is expected to take a sip or drink the entire bowl but not refuse the drink as it is considered gravely impolite.